Hello children, do you know what are parts of speech? In English language, every word in a sentence belongs to one word class, that is one part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In this video, we are going to talk about noun. Now, what are nouns? A noun is also called a naming word. Why? Because a noun is a word which is used as name of a person, place, animal or thing. A noun can also describe an abstract idea. Now there are different kinds of nouns. First is concrete noun and abstract noun. Now concrete noun can be further divided into proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material noun. There are 2 types of common noun: uncountable noun and countable noun. Countable nouns can be further divided into singular and plural noun. Now let's see each of these types. Concrete nouns. Now what are these nouns? Things that we can see, hear, smell, touch and taste are concrete nouns. Let's see different kinds of concrete nouns. The first type that we are going to see is common noun. Now common nouns are names of persons, places or things in general. The next type of noun are proper nouns. Proper nouns are name of particular person, place or thing. On your screens you will see some examples of common nouns and proper nouns. Look at the pictures. The first picture is of a baby. Now baby is a common noun. But if we say Eva, Eva becomes a proper noun. Why? Because this is the name of a particular baby. The next picture is of a country. Country is a common noun. Whereas if we say India, it becomes proper noun. The next one is a picture of a book. Book is a common noun. But if I say Alice in Wonderland, this is the name of a specific book. So Alice in Wonderland is a proper noun. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refers to a group of people, animals or things. For example, look at the first picture in collective noun. It is a bunch of roses, which means it is a group of flowers, a colony of ants, a galaxy of stars. All these are examples of collective nouns. The next kind of noun is material nouns. Material nouns are name of material out of which many things are made. For example, diamond. We can use diamond to make necklace. We can use diamond to make earrings. Yes, so diamond is a material, and using this material we can make different things. Milk. Milk is also an example of material noun. How? We can use milk to make different things like curd or butter or even ice cream. Wood. Wood is another example of material noun. We can use this material wood to make number of things: cupboards, doors, beds, etc. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let's see what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count. Numbers like 1, 2 can be used with these nouns. Articles a and an can be used before them when in singular form. So there are two types of countable nouns: singular noun and plural noun. Now, what is singular noun? Look at the example. We have a picture of one girl on the singular side. On the plural side, we have a picture of number of girls. Look at the second example. On the singular side, you will see a picture of one man. On the other hand, if you see in the plural side, you will see pictures of two men. So by these two examples, what do we know? What do we know about singular noun? When a noun refers to only one person, place or thing, it is singular. When a noun refers to more than one person, place or thing, it is plural. So singular means one and plural means more than one. So there are two types of countable nouns: singular noun and plural noun. Now, how to turn singular to plural? Let's look at some rules. The general rule is to add s to the singular noun. So, if the singular is dog, in plural it becomes dogs. If the singular ends with s, z, x, double s, ch, sh, consonant plus o. Now, what is consonant? Now, children, in English alphabets, there are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters are vowels. Other than those 5 letters, all the other 21 letters are called consonant. So, if the word ends with O and before O there is a consonant, then we add es to make it plural. Bus becomes buses. Consonant plus y. So what did I tell you? What is consonant? Letters other than vowels. Letters other than A, E, I, O, U. So consonant plus y. If the last alphabet is Y and before Y if we have a consonant letter, what do we do then? We change Y to IES. We remove Y and we add IES. So lady becomes ladies. If you see in this example, Y is the last letter and it is preceded or before Y we have D. So in this case we have removed Y and we have added IES. Next rule, vowel plus Y. Now in this example, if you see, we have taken the example of boy. So here the last alphabet is Y and before Y we have a vowel which is O. So in this case we add S. So boy becomes boys. If the singular word ends in F or FE, we change it to VES. So we remove F or FE and we put VES. So leaf becomes leaves. Now children, there are some nouns which are always plural, like pants. In singular form and plural form we both use pants. Or scissors. Scissors are always used in plural. Compound nouns. Now, what are compound nouns? Some nouns are made up of two or more words. They are called compound nouns. So when we have compound nouns, like the example that we have taken, mother-in-law is a noun. But you see there are three different words, mother-in-law. So in this case, to make it plural, we add an S. Where have we added it? We have made it mothers-in-law. Only the first noun is changed to plural. Now in some cases, the plurals are formed by changing the ending. So like in this example, we have taken syllabus in singular. To make it into plural, we remove US and we add I. We make it syllabi. Few nouns sound and read like plurals. For example, sports. In singular as well as in plural, we use sports. Changing vowels. In some cases, to change from singular to plural, we change the vowels. Like the example that we have taken. Tooth becomes teeth. We have changed the vowel O to E. In some cases, the singular and plural are same, which means some nouns remain unchanged in the plural form, like sheep, sheep. Or you can take fish, fish. We don't say fishes, do we? We say fish if we have one fish, and even if we have 10 fish, we will say fish. For example, luggage. Whether we have one or two, we say luggage. Uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Numbers like 1, 2 cannot be used. We cannot use them in the plural form. Nor can we use the articles a or an. Now some examples of uncountable nouns are bread, water, coffee. These are all examples of uncountable nouns. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? It is an idea, a quality or a state. Abstract noun can only be felt or experienced. So abstract nouns are those nouns that denote an idea, quality, feeling or state rather than a concrete object. So an abstract noun cannot be seen, heard, touched or tasted, but we can feel or we can experience it. Now some examples of abstract nouns are joy, sorrow, anger, kindness, childhood. All these things we cannot touch. Can we touch joy? Can we touch sorrow? But we feel these things. We experience these things. These are all abstract nouns. Children, with this we complete explanation for nouns. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and take care.